Hello students, today we'll do some numerical based on work energy theorem. First numerical is a body of mass m is released from rest from a height of h, hits the ground with speed root of gh. Find the work done by resistive force. Solution. Since it is given in question, a body of mass m is released from certain height h and it hits the ground with a speed of root of gh. As we know by the work energy theorem, we know work done by all the forces is equals to change in kinetic energy. So here we can write, since there are three forces acting on the body, gravitational force, air resistance force and internal force. So we can write here work done by gravity plus work done by resistive force. It should be equals to change in kinetic energy, means K final minus K initial. Now work done by gravity. Work done by gravity will be equals to, as we know, work equals to force into displacement. If the mass is released and it hits the ground, then gravity, the force of gravity will act in downward direction and displacement is also in the same direction. So angle between them is 0. So work done by gravity will be force mg into displacement h. So mg h. Now work done by resistive force, which we have to calculate. So work done by resistive force equals to K final, since it hits the ground with a speed of root gh, so we can write here half of m v square, so root of gh square minus k initial speed, initial velocity is 0, so 0. Now work resistive will be half m gh minus m gh. So work done by resistive force will be equals to minus half mgh by 2. So this is the answer. Work done by resistive force will be equals to minus half mgh. Now next question. Next question is the verb of simple pendulum of length L is released when the string is horizontal find its speed at the bottom. Find its speed at the bottom. Solution. First, we draw the diagram. It is given the bow of simple pendulum of length L is released when the string is horizontal. It means, suppose it is a simple pendulum of length L. It is released when string was horizontal. Means like this. When string was in this horizontal direction, it is verb A point. Then this string, this string is horizontal, then this string, this pendulum is released. Now we have to find out its speed when it will be at the bottom. Means when it will be at this point, we have to find out the speed of verb. Now let us consider at this bottom point its speed is u. Okay, and as it is given the length of string is L. Now as we know by the work energy theorem, work done by all forces should be equals to change in its kinetic energy. So we can write work done by gravity plus work done by tension equals to change in kinetic energy. Actually, according to work energy theorem, work done by all forces equals to change in kinetic energy. So here there are two forces acting on the bob, which is force of gravity and another is force tension force. So now work done by gravity. Work done by gravity force when the bob of simple pendulum it comes from A to B, then the gravitational force will act in downward direction, and its displacement is displacement from A to B. It is L. So we can write mg_L. Now work done by tension force. When this bob covers the distance from A to B, the tension force acts along the string and its displacement will be given by the tangential direction like this. Displacement and tension force act in this direction. Now since tension is in this direction and displacement vector will be given along the tangential direction, so they will be at 90-degree angle and work equals to Fs cos theta. Cos 90 means 0, so work done by tension will be 0. Now change in its kinetic energy. Now when it was released its velocity was 0. So K final is K initial was 0. K final will be half mu square minus 0 initial. Now we have to find out u, the velocity at the bottom. So we can write mgl equals to half mu square. So u can be written as root of 2gl. Next question, as shown in figure, the masses m1 and m2, where m2 is greater than m1, are released from rest using work energy theorem. Find the velocity of blocks. Find the velocity of block when they move a distance x. Solution. Okay, the figure is also given in the question, and figure is pulley and two blocks are attached. One is of m1 mass and second is of m2 mass. The, it is the figure which is given in the question according to question, and the mass m1 where m2 is greater than m1 and they are released from the rest. So when this block covers the x distance, because it is the m2 is greater than m1, so when it released from the rest and when it covers x distance in downward direction, so m1 will cover the same direction x in the upward same cover m1 will cover the same distance x in upward direction. Okay, and this time we have to find out the velocity of block. Now again, here by using work energy theorem we can write work done by all forces, change in kinetic energy of the system. Work done by all forces on system. Okay. Now we are assuming this whole system, including mass m1, m2 and pulley. Okay. So we can write work done by gravity for the system plus work done by tension equals to change in kinetic energy. Equation 1. Now first we have to find out here work done by gravity on the system. As we know, work done is always equals to force into displacement. Okay. Now when the system including masses m1 and m2, when the system moves the distance x, the gravitational force will act in the this m2 block will move in downward direction while the m1 block will move in upward direction. So net gravitational force on the system will be m2 gx. The net gravitational force on the system will be m2g minus m1g. Right, minus is here because when it is released, then m2 will move in downward direction while m1 will move in upward direction. So net acceleration will be downward. So m2g minus m1g will be net gravitational force which will act on the system. System is m1 plus m2. So we can write here m2g minus m1 work means force into displacement. Force is m2g minus m1g and displacement is x. We have to find out velocity when they move a distance x. So it is the it will be the work done by gravity on the system. Equation number second. Now work done by tension. Work done by tension on the system. On the system means on block of mass m2 and m1. Now for block m2. When this m2 will move in downward direction, the tension will act in upward direction, right? It will act in upward direction. So what we can write? The work done by tension will be, suppose tension is T. So we can write T into X, and minus is because displacement is in downward direction and tension is in upward direction. While for the mass m1, the displacement is in upward direction and tension is also in the upward direction, so plus tx, and it will be 0. It will be 0. So work done by tension on the system, it will be equals to 0. Now by equation 1, suppose it is equation number 3, equation 1 we can write work done by gravity m2gx minus m1gx plus work done by tension which is 0, and we the total kinetic energy of the system, and total kinetic energy of the system can be written as half mv square. System is m1 plus m2, v square which we have to find out. So here by solving it we can write 2 m2 minus m1 gx upon m1 plus m2, it is v. So this will be the value of velocity when they move the distance of x. Okay, thank you student. In next class we will deal with the other numericals based on other topic.